Welcome my darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the full videos on how to make Canadian smoking turban. This is the second video. You can check my previous video, the video you understand what we are doing here. So if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, and if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and support. And so guys, let's continue our tutorial. So this is where we end on the first part, and we make the bust, and the bust is 2 inches. So the bust is 2 inches, and then the next thing I'll be doing right now, I'll be drawing a bust now, just like a S. Just see what I'm doing. So if you check our previous video, this is where we stopped. Then you just have to continue. Just see what I'm doing. You keep and make that S. So keep doing that. So let's keep doing that. So the next thing we're doing now, I'm going to be doing our Canadian smoking. So you start from that point, you're going to pick the bust around it. You pick, you go to the other part, you pick, you sew. Just see what I'm doing. This is so easy to do. You go to that place again, that point, you pick again. You're going to pick it round. You pick, you come to the part again. This part, you pick again. Just what I'm doing, so easy to do. You go down, you pick. Can you see where I'm doing it? Can you see where I'm picking it? You pick, then you go down again. Can you see? You're going to pick round the bust. You pick. See what I'm doing? You go this part again. You pick, and when you get to the last page, you're going to just draw the thread out and you sew it. It's very easy to do. You sew it, you tie it, look at the back. So you keep doing this to get to the last place. I think I should repeat again. You pick, you sew, then you come to that part again, you pick. You're going to pick round the bust. You pick everything around the bust. You pick around the 2 inches, you're going to pick around the bust. See what I'm doing? When you get to the last one, you're going to leave some inches, then you pick, back again, you pick and you sew. Can you see? I have 3 of it, and that's how I'm going to pick to get to the last place. It's so easy to do. Just keep picking it up. So easy to do. If you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe on this channel. We have a lot of tutorials to learn. Can you see where I start my picking? Can you see the way I start the picking? You pick from that place. You pick. You keep picking it round the bust till you get to the last one. Just keep doing. Just keep. So these are going to look like, and this eye is going to look like. So these are going to look like this is for the beginners. We're still going to do a full one for. I'm still going to do a full cardigan. I want to make it so big. So this one just for beginners, so easy to do. Just look at it and just look at it. So we are going to be using your lining to turn it. You can use the same fabric, or if you have enough fabric, just make sure you turn it out. Check my previous video now to make a Canadian smoking turban. So, and you are going to glue it to your turban body, then you're going to embellish it. Use your stone to embellish it. I use my glass stone. Just look at this. So this is the finishing part. This is the finishing part. If you have any question, just drop it. I'm ready to answer any question. So that's it, guys. So it is so beautiful. Just look at this. The material I use here is dove face. So I use doll face. I use 1 yard of doll face. 1 yard of doll face is enough for this tutorial, guys. So we'll be doing another videos on how to make Canadian smoking, the full turban. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. I'm going to be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye. Love you, darlings. Love you. Thank you for your love and support.